Hi guys, good morning. This is your coach Romeo Rovillos, and thank you guys for watching. Hello Facebook Nation and hello world. All right. So before we proceed, please hit like and please don't forget to subscribe as well. All right. So today guys, ang i-discuss natin is about affiliate marketing or paano ba tayo kikita through affiliate marketing here on Facebook. Alright, so remember guys, Facebook is a combination of social media, e-commerce, and affiliate marketing. Alright, so today we will be focusing on affiliate marketing. Alright, may cheat sheets ako guys. Of course, just to make sure na hindi ko makalimutan yung mga kailangan nating i-discuss about affiliate marketing. Alright, there you go. So with affiliate marketing guys, of course, this is actually allowing our business to grow at some point, not only the business but our team mismo, meaning yung team natin na i-build natin. It's our business group. Alright, so going back, meron tayong tinatawag na direct commission. So, babasahin ko sa inyo guys ha. So, direct commission is sa bawat taong gustong sumali sa'yo o mai-invite mo at magugustuhang gawin si Facebook, magkakaroon ka kagad ng 100 pesos. Alright? So, let us say, ikaw mismo, nakapag-invite ka or let us say in-approach ka mismo dahil napakita mo na kumikita ka na dito sa Facebook. Let us say kumuha siya ng isang account. So nag-umpisa siya ng isang account. Meron ka kagad doon na 100 pesos. Alright? And then meron din naman tayong tinatawag na matching commission guys. We will get into detail or we will be creating more videos explaining more about matching commission, and I believe meron na akong nagawa about leveling commission. Now for matching commission guys, gagawa tayo ng video na kung saan i-explain sa inyo kung magkano yung kikitain nyo kung let us say you only have one account, 3 accounts, or 7 accounts, or 15 accounts with the same let us say downlines or direct referrals or downlines na nasa ilalim ng isang account, 3 account, 7 account, o 15 accounts. Alright? So, going back guys, matching commission guys is meron ka of course left business group and right business group. Ngayon, kung ikaw mismo meron kang isang tao sa left mo and then isang tao sa right mo, it is called a match or a matching commission. Some call it pairing. Alright, if you're familiar with binary system, some call it matching commission, pairing bonus, or whatever you call it, and that's 100 pesos guys. So matching commission na nagkakahalaga ng 100 pesos, and then maximum of 40 matches per day. Ibig sabihin 4,000 per day. Kapag lumagpas na lumagpas na tayo ng 40, magiging flash out na yon. It only means na yung whatever it is that exceeds the 40 matches, it goes to the company. Alright? Now, meron naman tayong leveling commission guys. Leveling commission dito naman, kailangan mo lang ng isang person sa left at isang person sa right, so sa mismong account mo, up to 10 levels. Ito yung tinatawag natin diretsong straight guys, na diretsong straight sa left, diretsong straight sa right. So pag yun yung tinatawag na leveling commission, and that's up to 10 levels. And guys, take note, dito magkakaroon ka ng 400 pesos each level. So, kung nakompleto mo na yung left straight levels mo with the right level, alright, so 1 to 10, that's 4,000 pesos. Alright, so 400 times 10 is equal to 400 pesos, guys. Alright, so that's actually one way of earning here on Facebook. Depende kasi yun guys kung saan kayo magpa-focus talaga. Pwede kayong mag-focus sa e-commerce natin where you can let us say buy or sell your items. You can also focus on the social media platform that we guys have, wherein if your post becomes or became trending, you'll get a percentage of um, commission that our company gets. All right, so that's actually because of we have this ways of earning here on Facebook. Now, kung ako mismo yung tatanungin nyo guys, of course, I strongly suggest for you to focus on affiliate marketing. Kasi most of us are actually earning here on Facebook through affiliate marketing. Now, depende sa inyo naman yun guys. Like what I've said before, it all depends on you kung saan ka magaling. It would be about you inviting people to do the business, or it will be depending on you on how are you going to promote the business so that yung tao ang lalapit sa'yo. Alright? Ngayon guys, of course, kung naghahanap ka ng active leader here on Facebook and wanted to be part of my team, I strongly suggest, iiwan ko yung link ko dyan, Facebook link sa on this YouTube channel. You can also check my videos guys. Nandun yung link ko. Alright? Of course, I strongly suggest for you to get started as soon as possible so that you can start earning as well. And again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, this is your coach, Romeo Rovillos, your mentor, Rome. And have a great day to all of you guys. Bye, Facebook Nation, and bye for now, guys.